Correct science. Welcome to Correct Science. If we were asked to find the area of this equilateral triangle, what would the answer be? Okay, then try these questions. Area of equilateral triangle. So the side length is 8 centimeters. The side length is 1 meter. Also, number 2, what is the length of the sides of an equilateral triangle with its area equal to its perimeter? I'd like you to try these questions and send your answer in the comment field. You can add the time it took you to solve the questions too. At the end of this video, we'll learn a formula that will help us solve these questions in milliseconds. But first of all, we have to know how we get the formula. So let's look at that together. Okay, so let the side length be A, the side length of the equilateral triangle. So this is it. Side length is A. Now, let's draw a straight line through like this way, this way. Okay, and let H be the height. So this straight line we've drawn through is the height of the equilateral triangle. Yes. Now we know from geometry that the area of a triangle equals half base times height. Half base times height. Half of the area of a rectangle. Yeah. Okay. Now how can this help us get a formula in terms of area of a equilateral triangle with a given side length? Okay, so first of all, we have to find an expression for h. How do we do that? We apply Pythagoras theorem. Because you can clearly see that when we draw the line through, we get a right angle triangle here. I hope you can see that. Very good. Okay, so from Pythagoras theorem, it will be the hypotenuse squared. The hypotenuse squared equals this squared, the height squared, plus this side squared. But how do we get this side? Since this one is a perpendicular bisector of this line, it means this side dividing it into two. So if here is half E, then here will also be what? Half E. As simple as that. Good. So let's apply the Pythagoras theorem. And we have a squared equals 8 a squared equals 8 squared plus into bracket half a all squared. We have a squared equals a squared minus 1 on 4 a squared. So we make h squared the subject because we want to find h. So we send this one to this side. And we know half squared times a squared is the same as this. And we know this is 1 over 4. So as simple as that. Yeah, so we have a squared equals a squared. H squared equals a squared minus 1/4 a squared. And know this is simply the same as 1 minus 1 over 4 multiplying a squared. So we have 3 on 4 a squared giving us h squared. Now let's make h the subject. We have to get rid of the square root side, the square. So we square root both sides. And what do we get from that? So we get h equals the square root of 3a squared on 4. And note this is simply the same as root 3a squared over root 4. Root 4 will give us 2. Root 3, we leave it like that. But we know root a squared is a. So we have h equals the root of 3 over 2a. The root of 3 on 2 multiplying a. This is the height. Now that we have this, let's put it back to our main equation. So let's do that on another page. Okay, so this is our triangle. Now we found h to be root 3 on 2a. Let's put it into half bh. But we can't see any b here. Yes, the b is the base. So here we can clearly see that this is the base. B equals this one. Okay, so now we start substituting our values and we have our expression. So we have a equals half e Multiplying root of 3 on 2a. Simple. Just simplify this and you get 1 over 4 with multiplying root 3a. So root 3 on 4a, a squared. And you see the a is multiplying a, so a squared, yes. So this is the formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle. And do this in milliseconds and you get your answer. So let's try the questions we started with again. This time I'm sure it will be faster. So you tell me the time you use this time around too. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll be expecting your answers in the comment field. Thank you.